So hello friends, this is the Giant Escape 2. This is the 2019 model. I bought this around 2 weeks back, and this is how it looks. It retails for around 48,000 rupees, and this is the side view of the cycle. It has 24 gears. It's a hybrid cycle. So the rear derailleur is from Shimano. It's a Shimano Altus setup. And there, 8 gears. And you have a Shimano Tourney setup in the front. That's there. There are 2 bottle holder mounts, one here and one there. So I'm just using one bottle holder so far. I picked up the large frame size for my cycle. I'm 5 feet 10, and according to Giant, for the Escape 2, the large model caters for people having heights from 5 feet 11 inches and above. It has internal cabling, as you can see. All cables are internal, no wires outside, no cables outside. This is how the shifters look here. That's how it is. That's the handlebar. It's a Giant handlebar, Giant stem, Giant handlebar. That's the front view. There's no suspension, it's a rigid front fork. The brakes, as you can see, they are the normal V brakes. There are no disc brakes in this cycle. So even though when you are paying 48,000, you just get plain simple V brakes, both front and rear. Those are the brake levers, that's how it looks. That's the shifter from Shimano at both the sides. There again. It's a 3x8 24 gear setup, as I said earlier. The grips are nice. They have this chunky bit here, and it's good to hold over long rides. So it takes a bit of time to get used to it. But once you are used to it, it's really nice and you feel pretty comfortable. So I have done around about 90 kilometers so far on the cycle in around 2 weeks time. So I'm still breaking into the cycle. There's a lot more cycling to do. The seat, it is quite wide and comfortable. It's unlike the other seats you find on hybrid cycles, which are very narrow. This is again a Giant Connect seat. It's supposed to have some kind of gel in it, and so far it's pretty comfortable. The tires are 700 by 35 C tires. They are Giant tires again. They are decent for, your regular roads. They give you good grip, but because they are narrow, on Indian roads you find a lot of bumps coming and hitting you, and you feel the whole cycle vibrating a bit. So that's one downside of these tires. They're supposed to be puncture resistant. Hopefully they'll be durable. There's one more good thing about this cycle. The tires, this has that normal valve where you can go to any puncture shop and fill air. It doesn't have that narrow valve setup. I like it. Quick release for both the tires, here and at the back. That's the internal cabling going in. And so far this cycle, I mean, I've not done a lot, 80-90 kilometers so far. It's very smooth, but you would expect, right? It is 48,000 rupees, so I mean, you would expect the cycle to be really smooth, and it is. I mean, it is nice to ride, it's fun to ride. That's how the crank looks. The pedals are kind of plasticky type, polymer type pedals. They're not metal. That's the crank, and that's how the cycle is. So I plan to do a more detailed review after I've done some more kilometers on this, and give you my feedback on how I feel the Giant Escape 2 is. Thank you.